Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eBay haul. So it's mostly eyelashes, and as you can see I have cracked into some of these packages already. So I'm going to do close-ups of all the lashes so that you can have a fair idea of what they actually look like. And then I'm going to put the prices on the screen as well because I can't really remember. Obviously they were all super affordable. So the first ones I'm actually wearing a pair today of these ones, and they're just a wispy look. They're not as comfortable as the Ardell like wispies or demi wispies. They're a bit plasticky feeling, but they are super long. 3 of the packs came in the same little package. Obviously it was the same buyer. So first up are these, which I'm so excited to try because they just got a thick band which won't be too comfortable, but they really wisp out and just looks really pretty and soft, unlike these which look, you know, quite plasticky. These actually look like hair, so I'm really excited to try those ones. Next up are these ones. Sometimes I buy the singles just to see if they are like a better quality, and these ones look really long. They're a bit more spiky, but they do still look wispy. And the last lashes from this seller are these magnetic lashes, which I was so excited to try because when they first came out, they were like $15, and I got these for like $3 or $4. So I'm really excited. Oh, they're a bit all over the place. I've not opened these before. They are super cute. They're like a really nice natural lash, quite fluffy at the end as well. So next up in this little package here, this isn't lashes, but it's just these shadow shields, and they were like $1, and I really wanted to try them. So yes. Oh, I'm gonna be pretty. So it's this little holder for my sponge. These were actually quite expensive. You can get the same effect by buying like an egg cup at the shop, so I might try that as well. But look. Oh, so cool and perfect. And that's really good. It'll be a little bit more hygienic that way, hopefully. So next up, oh, not eyelashes. It's actually 2 of these black sponges. And I think they were super affordable. So that's why there's 2 of them here. And let me just get one out. Feels very hard, but it's actually got a slant on one side. And the last thing here, I think this is eyelashes. So I just got this little pack here, which is just a classic pair of eyelashes. It's these super thick, fluffy, dark ones. They're very heavy on the eye. They're not too uncomfortable, but they've got a super thick band. So if you have a really dramatic eye look, then you would like these. But it's really good to have in your collection, in your kit, because I've already gone through a couple of these. It's really cool if you're doing your friend's makeup before you go out or whatever. So that's all for this little eBay haul. All up, this stuff probably cost me like $10 or $15. So I just really wanted to restock my eyelashes, and I'm very happy I did. I'm going to leave all the links below for you guys, so if you did want to follow up and check them out, then you can. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.